Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brief overview on Kantata, the cloud-based project management software. Now, this video aims to help you learn about what Kantata is and what they offer to your business. This includes their main features as well as their advantages. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into their website right here. So this is the main page of Kantata. This is also where you can log in. So right there, once you have your account, you also get to select the product that you are currently using, whether it's Kantata Aux or Kantata SX. So once you have an account, then you can log in right here. And as you can see, you can also already take a tour where you will be presented with two video demos. And these two video demos depend on the platform that you're operating on. So first one is the Kantata platform, which offers a more open infrastructure. There's also the Salesforce platform if you prefer that platform. So we're just going to head back. And here, Kantata is basically, again, a cloud-based project management software that's designed for professional services teams, helping to manage projects, track resources, and collaborate effectively. Now here you can see a brief overview of their products. So we have resource management, where you get to ensure you have the right people on the right projects for the best results. And then there's financial management, which helps boosts profitability, strengthens margins, and enable real-time financial oversight. Then for project management, you can keep your projects on track and deliver bottom line benefits. You also have collaboration and feedback, where you can collaborate seamlessly and improve project outcomes by leveraging client and employment sentiment. There's also business intelligence, where you can bring together all your data and insights for smarter decision making. And then finally, we have the integrations and workflows. So this helps empower your teams by connecting existing systems to extend tech investments. We're going to try to check one by one. For resource management, right over here. All right, so this is just a brief overview of the resource dashboard. And basically with resource management, there's resource allocation. We're just going to close this real quick. Resource allocation is basically where you get to plan and allocate resources based on availability, skill sets, and project needs. Now in here you can assign team members to tasks and monitor their workloads. There's also resource forecasting. Here is a view of the resource center dashboard. Now for resource forecasting, you can predict future resource needs and ensure your team is optimally utilized. There's also capacity management, where you can gain visibility into team capacity to prevent overbooking or underutilization. So here you have a team builder dashboard. There's also for the external members, where you can manage your talent network. So right there. Now we're going to move on to financial management. So here in financial management, for budgeting, you can set and track project budgets, including estimates for time, materials, and expenses. See how it looks here on the graph, where it's neatly presented for better tracking and management. There's also invoicing, where you can generate client invoices based on time worked and expenses incurred. So you can also track which invoices have been paid. And then there's also the profitability tracking, where you can analyze project profitability by comparing actual costs to estimated costs. So here again, you have a bunch of dashboards to work with for your invoices. And then there's also graphs presented to make it look more presentable and easy to understand. Here you also can prevent errors and revenue leakage by staying ahead of financial management issues with accurate forecasts that support confident decisions. So that's for financial management, and we're going to move on to project management, I believe, here. Right, so project management, again, brief view on what the dashboard looks like. Now for project management, this involves task tracking where you can create, assign, and monitor tasks within projects. You can also set deadlines, priorities, and dependencies. There's also a bunch of Gantt charts. As you can see, there are a variety of charts and graphs we have seen from earlier and up till now. These are all targeted to make your data more presentable and easy to understand across all your teams. So you can visualize the entire project timeline with Gantt charts, helping teams track progress, manage schedules, and adjust as needed. There's also a bunch of project templates where you can save time by using predefined templates for recurring project types. So here, just a few more examples. We have an architecture improvement project. There's a revenue summary graph or chart right there. There's also this for project listing right there. And we're going to take a look at the next, which is collaboration and feedback. So for collaboration and feedback, Kantata Pulse actually has a lot of collaboration tools that can help with a bunch of stuff. Like, for example, team collaboration. You can centralize communication within projects, and team members can leave comments on tasks, share documents, and receive notifications. Right there, you can see Client Pulse and Team Pulse. There's also a file sharing. So for file sharing, you can attach files directly to tasks or projects, ensuring easy access to relevant documents. So right here, we have a technical consultant. So basically the role assigned and their permissions right there. As you can see, you can set permissions for your team depending on their position. And we have also activity feeds where your team can stay updated on project progress with real-time activity feeds. And here you have another example of what it looks like on, you can see a forecast here in the product extension for assignments. There's also one for expenses. So right there, that's for collaboration. Now we're going to move on to business intelligence. Now here you can get results or real-time results with integrated insights. Now data is the backbone for timely decisions that drive your success, where you can give everyone on your team access to meaningful insights. So you have access to all of your data in one place. You can generate 60+ services-centric reports, customize dashboards for individual needs, and add intelligent orchestration to resource management. You can also gain insight or instant insight into future business health to create a roadmap for growth. It can help you make informed decisions by streamlining your operation to optimize outcomes, as well as infuse business intelligence into every process with real-time contextual insight at your fingertips. Of course, you also get to enhance your execution and empower your team and improve performance at every level. You can easily manage your data, how you like it to be managed. You can customize data for different needs, roles, and perspectives. Also with, of course, tailored templates. So right there. And then we're going to check out integrations and workflows. So Kantata also has a bunch of integrations that you can utilize to make business management and project management easier. So here you can actually connect to CRM, financials, HCM, and more. You can gain visibility plus flexibility, so get a bird's eye view of your entire project portfolio in one place while accelerating time to value and add efficiency to project management. So for example, you can leverage APIs for simple seamless integration. You can configure and build workflows quickly and simply. You can customize via drag and drop tools and reusable components. You can also create rules and processes and set processes in motion easily. You can combine process with precision, and these are just an example or just some of the examples of their integration. So we have Salesforce, Avalara, NetSuite, Slack, Sage, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and QuickBooks, and so on and so forth. So you might be familiar with some of these, and just some of the trusted integrations that Kantata has. So that's a brief overview on what Kantata offers and how you can utilize it into your project management. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.